Hi, today we will be learning how Income Tax Department sends the notice. And what is the procedure they follow in order to send the notice to the assessee. Now, in the last video we learned who all will be the people where the Income Tax Department can send the notice, which covers everything, which covers every sector, every person of every sector. Now we will understand and we will learn how they follow the procedure. So there is the first step by identification of the discrepancies. डिस्क्रिपेंसी होगी, आपके फॉल्सिफाइंग अकाउंट्स में डिस्क्रिपेंसी फाउंड की जाएंगी, तभी आपको नोटिस भेजा जाएगा. So first process is the identification of the discrepancy. Although this income tax department has more than 50,000 employees across the world, I don't know, I don't have the exact idea about the same, but still there is an AI based tool which is used by the department to send the notices and to identify the mismatches in the ITR, in the cash deposits or in the purchase of the property. So let's say they use the tools like AST, they use the Insight portal, they use the risk assessment, risk management portals. So these are the AI based tools by which the system understands that these are the defaulters and the notice has to be sent. So identification is done. So coming to the second one is the delivery of the notice. Delivery of the notice is actually done by the email, SMS and through physical mode. In the physical mode, all the notices are sent in the severe cases, and on the other part, the notices are sent to the registered email address and the phone number, which is provided by the assessee, by the income tax filer through the registered portal of income tax. Now coming to the third, there is a department, there is a unit which is known as CPC. It is not Civil Procedure Code. It is actually Centralized Processing Center, which is based in Bangalore, and it sends the automated notices to all the assessees by finding the discrepancies and defaults in order to get the explanation from them under section 143(1) and 139(9) of Income Tax Act 1961. And the last one is the assessing officer. डिपार्टमेंट, हर डिपार्टमेंट का एक असेसिंग ऑफिसर है जो अपने एरिया की स्क्रूटनाइजेशन करने के बाद, अकाउंट्स की स्क्रूटनाइजेशन करने के बाद नोटिसेस इशू करता है, एंड दैट इज डन अंडर सेक्शन 143(2) एंड अंडर द सेक्शन 148. 143(2) is the regular scrutiny which is done for the accounts, and a physical notice is sent by the assessing officer. And section 148 deals with the reassessment when the assessment is already done and there's a requirement of reassessment of those accounts, then those notices are sent under section 148. Now we will understand in my next video about all these sections and what exactly and how these notices are issued under particular section. Now we are coming to the last. It is about the limitation. हर एक चीज की अपनी एक limitation है, and those limitations have to be followed by the income tax department and how they follow. So the first one is, if they are sending a notice under section 143(2) of Income Tax Act 1961, they have to send the notice within the 6 months till the 3 years from the date of filing the ITR. Reassessment notice under section 148 has to be issued up to 3 years. This has to be taken care by the income tax department in order to look and in order to send the notice to all the assessee. Now, how the income tax department issues the notice? First, by identifying the discrepancies. Second, they take care of the delivery process, whether how it will be done and how the delivery will be made, either through email, SMS or physical mode, or through the assessing officer. And third, they take care of the limitation that within how much time period the notice is valid, and it has to be sent to the assessee. So this is the procedure which the income tax department follows. For more details, I'll be always available to help you out with all the income tax sections under which the income tax department issues the notice to you and questions. Thank you. Bye-bye.